In this video, I'll show you how to enable modern widescreen resolutions in GTA Vice City for smoother gameplay on today's PCs. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link, select the download option and wait for 30 seconds. After the 30 seconds, select the download now option. And after the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And just close off here, right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Just drag and drop these two files inside the game folder. And now you can launch the game. I will show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare two of these with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.